Hi, my name is Aarti Gupta. My trouble started a long time ago actually when I was abroad, where it was diagnosed as a sports injury from childhood. And whatever little was told at that time, do not climb steps, do not climb mountains, do not run fast, etc. I did all that. For many years, I would feel a lot of discomfort in my knees, especially my right knee. There were many people suggested. I did visit a couple of them, and they all told me just one thing, that you need a total knee replacement surgery right now. I just looked up the list, online of the doctors, and going through the various options that I had, for some reason I felt very convinced about contacting Dr. Mahajan.
So when we saw her, we decided that she is a candidate who has grade 4 osteoarthritis on the right side. So we need to operate her. The surgery was done robotic, getting us more precision, better alignment, and of course, because we handle our tissues less, we knew that she would have less pain. So after surgery, she was mobilized 2 hours after the surgery, and that was the first time that she realized that yes, this is actually making a difference. She was well balanced, and within a week or 10 days, she was outside the house, going for her walks. She's resumed her activities in couple of weeks, and now she is like any normal person who just walks out. She does all her activities, she's doing her work.
All I can say is that I am so grateful to Dr. Ramneek Mahajan and Max Smart Hospital's team